Salida. Stupilla. Laurita will fire once more. Off. Mendoza. Clean it up para sa Rizal Switch Fiber.
Good offensive rebound yun. Galing ito sa Rizal. Yun yung mga kailangan nila na extra para makabawas sa kanilang trabaho.
Off to the right para kay Sean, but another chance para dito sa San Juan. They find Sean once again. The head fake gets blocked that time by Villas. Ako dito ang Rizal. Latiga on the move. Gets fouled by Sean Howe. Trying to stop that break. Villas. Spin. At the basket. Rebound. Para dito kay Ponsalida. Latiga call. Yeres against Ray John. Look at this battle. Trying to get inside to Sharma. Makakaagaw ang Rizal. Aurita. Ooh! Once again, a swat! From Ponsalida. Kaso matatawagan ata siya ng technical foul dito for taunting. Nakikita mo si Kent Aurita dito. Iningitian na lang.
Teka to. Block na nangyari. Oh, grabe. Kasi nadadala ka nung laro. Diba? Parang
So babasa din mga kalamangan dito ng San Juan. Villas. With escape once again. Sobrang crafty maglaro nito ni Ronis Villas.
basketball lang, pure basketball. Shoot lang ako. Alam niyo kung paano gamitin yung galaw niya.
That time though, he will be called for a foul. Division champions. That's just
Rizal. Kailangan post lang ako. Malayo pa to, 7 minutes. Halos dikit lang tayo. Nakabalik na tayo eh. Kailangan post lang.
Steal here para kay Sean. Beats Ray John and he will be fouled by Donato. Down by Gutierrez. La Rosa, thought about the three. Goes to Sharma. They find Ugadan. Extra pass. Gutierrez from the corner. Knocks down the triple. Jared Gutierrez has 16.
Good extra pass by Ugadan to Gutierrez. No? Nakita niya na libre. Napakomit niya yung defender. So libre yung corner para dito kay Gutierrez.
They back up to 5. Latiga. Couldn't convert on his own version, but Villas keeps it alive. Vergara with a basket.
Good defense by this Rizal squad, no? Dahil hindi sila sumusuko dun sa rebound na yun, no?
Pamuli sa tatlo, lamang dito na San Juan, 16-57. Nago. Outside Gutierrez, this time Ugadan. To the baseline. A second to shoot. Andre! Just in the time of Nick.
Top shot by Ugadan. So, hindi siya bumitaw dun sa play na yun, no?
Just understood na may oras pa. Nakompleto niya pa yung dalawa. Loza, na naman ang a-attacking. Pinorasan ng Sharma. Here in the fourth and final quarter. Ugadan dropping it off. Sharma soft touch. Won't work. Rebound Mendoza. Vergara, Villas, inside Mendoza. The hook, too strong. Kaya for that rebound, Andre Ugadan. Donato now. Gets the ball stolen from him by Villas. Latika, aatake muli. Short, ball is loose. Ray John trying to fight for it. The loose ball foul will be called against La Rosa. 2 free throws coming up for Region.
Kailangan dito sa game na to.
Gadan. He will be fouled and siya naman ang titira ng free throws. Perez. Go to the block. Mendoza against Gadan. Mendoza pa rin. Hits baseline. Blocked by Andre. 4 seconds to shoot. Latina for 3. Too strong. 24 seconds shot clock violation. Tatawag kontra 7. Gadan. Now La Rosa. Inside Andre. The tough shot once again. Rebound Perez. Rizal will run. Vergara. Messi. Great. It's the ball stolen from him. They go to Gadan. A hold will be called against Villas. So free throws na naman. That's a ball game now. 64-57. Latika. Finds an open. Perez short on that jumper. He stepped on that baseline. Battle between San Juan and Rizal. Abante nga ng pito. Itong makabagong San Juan Mighty Warriors. Gutierrez for Trey. Off the mark. Rizal looking to run once again. Villas finds Perez for the easy bucket.
Much needed score by the Rizal squad. Kailangan na nilang pumuntos dito dahil medyo nauubos na yung oras para sa side nila.
8 down to 5. Donato on the move. Outside to Andre. Gets stripped. The ball itatawag dito ng ating officials. We're in the final 2 minutes here in this ball game. That one wins, that will be it. They are the North Division finalists, champion rather. But Villas trying to carry Rizal to a comeback. Constantly down to 364-61. Turnover para San Juan. Villas. When he knocked down the triple, Eliescas gives him another opportunity. Langit. Gets the pick from Perez. Region for 3. Off the mark. Could have tied us up, but instead, San Juan, an opportunity na makalamang muli. More than 3. Gadan. Pulls up. Ayaw din. Villas with the board. Lawrence. Spins. Shadowed by Ugadan. Gandang depensa doon ni Andre.
Good intention, pero yun nga, hindi na naman nahulog yung tira na yun. Pero maganda rin yung depensa na patakita doon ng San Juan.
The one possession ball game. Both teams now in the penalty. Final 42 seconds dito sa ating laro. Gutierrez. Denied. The save. Ugadan with the hustle. Look at Langit. Comes up with a leather. The ball will stay with Rizal. And look at the play na. Oh. Get it into Latica. Fires for 3. Short. Shot clock is off. As a foul will be called against Mendoza. They had to get in this game. Vergara. Finds an opening. Scoops it up and in. Able to safely inbound the leather. Gutierrez gets it to Ugadan, and that's the foul given up there by Sean Vergara. He's only able to split his charity sa kanyang last 2 trips. Trying to go 2 for 2. Ugadan knocks down both. Vergara gets it into Latica on the attack. Iniluwa yung kanyang layup. Just kind of afternoon para kay Rajan. Anong 2 seconds na lamang. As makabagong San Juan Mighty Warriors will close the series out with a sweep.
Congratulations, Andre Ugata! Puntahan natin si Andre. Of course, giving his trophy is Mr. J.R. Navarro.
Step back and kiss myself. Big time plays make big time plays. Woo!